Welcome class 8. Here is the explanation of chapter 27, Democracies Around the World. Before going further, we firstly understand the meaning of democracy. Democracy is a system of government in which the citizens exercise power directly or elect representatives from among themselves to form a governing body such as a parliament. We know, bache, that what is democracy? The democracy is a government where the people choose their own government. People choose their parliament, that who will be the member of parliament, who has the authority. The people has the authority through voting. It is a government of the people, by the people and for the people. We elect the government and the government work for us. So it is for the people, in which the supreme power is vested in the people and exercised directly by them or by their elected agents under a free electoral system. Read the clues and fill in the blanks to the names, the countries, and choose your answers from the help box. There is help box also, and there is questions. Part A we are doing first. It is a country in South Asia. It is 7th largest country by area, the second most populous country with over 1.2 billion people and most powerful democracy in the world. I think you all should answer this question. We have the most powerful democracy in the world. That is, the country is India. Second, it is a federal republic. Federal means which have government at different levels, consisting of 50 states. There are two other states, Alaska and Hawaii, which are both in Western region and Pacific region as defined by US Census Bureau. The answer is the United States of America, because the Alaska and Hawaii, we know that these are the states of America. Third, it is a sovereign state in East Asia. Sovereign means independent. It is the world's most populous state with a population of over 1.388 billion. It was established in 1949. Its major cities are Hong Kong and Shanghai. We can identify easily China. It is parliamentary democracy. The country is governed by a prime minister, a cabinet, and a 169-seat parliament that is elected every 4 years and cannot be dissolved. The answer is Norway. Fifth, it is a federal parliamentary republic in the Western Central Europe. It consists of 16 constituent states with 80.7 million inhabitants. It is most populous member state in the European Union. The answer is Germany. Moving on to part B, answer the following question. Name the first democratic country in the world. First democracy is Athens, Greece, Athens. In that country, the democracy was adopted. Okay. Next is, name the countries with which Italy shares its borders with. I will show you the map of Italy after these questions. So there you can more easily understand. Okay. The countries which Italy shares land borders with are France, Switzerland, Austria, Slovenia, San Marino, and Vatican City. Third, when was Germany formally united? The answer is 1871. Fourth, where is Venezuela located? Venezuela is in north coast of South America. Okay, South America, north coast, northern coast. Fifth is, in which year was Russia formed? 25th December 1991. Okay, now have a look on the map of Italy, or the map of Europe, I say, and you can easily see the countries which touch the border, which has the borders with Italy.